What's up YouTube? Welcome to my channel, Truck of Choice. So we've had this truck about a month. I bought the truck January 20th of 2021 and it's February the 25th as I'm recording, and we've had this truck for about 35 days since I purchased it. And so now in 35 days we've put about 3,000 miles, and in those 30 days I've done a ton of stuff already on this truck. Go ahead and click on any of the videos that are available for you to watch on my channel. But today I want to go over 6 affordable mods that anyone can do on their truck, especially if it's a Toyota Tacoma, 3rd gen Toyota Tacoma. Some of these mods even apply to the 2nd gen Toyota Tacoma, and I just want to bring to you the 6 affordable mods that I was able to do and that I believe, truly believe, anyone can do on their truck to give it a facelift, to give it a value, and to personalize it according to your own personality. Alright, so the first mod that I want to talk to you about is the interior LED light conversion kit. These are available on Amazon for under $20, and they enhance the look of your truck on the inside as well as the outside. And I say the outside because they also include the LED lights for the license plate as well as your backup lights. And so it's super simple, super easy. There's a million videos out there on YouTube world that will show you how to do it exactly. The second edition that I did on my truck is actually not something that you can visually see on the outside, it's on the inside. The center console has this big old deep section that you can throw anything in there, and it kind of looks disorganized and messy. So even that, they sell it on Amazon. It's an organizer that you can buy, and it's literally like 12 bucks in Amazon, and I'll post a link to that in my description as well, so you can go and purchase it if you would like on your truck, especially if it's a Tacoma. It really cleans up the space, it organizes it. There's room for you to put your wallet. I put my wallet, my knife, and my flashlight in there, and it has room to put loose change in it. That way everything stays together, everything is organized, and it looks good. The third mod is also interior, and it's a TRD start-stop ignition switch. It replaces the stock black engine start-stop ignition switch and kind of enhances, it kind of makes it more uniform to the truck. If your truck is a TRD, any model, TRD Sport, Pro, Off-Road, any of the TRD models, this ignition switch really brings it together on the inside, because every other truck looks the same on the inside when it comes to the main switches like ignition switch, AC switch, or whatever. But this particular switch enhances the looks on the inside, and it's a TRD start-stop ignition switch made by Miso Customs. Y'all check it out. It's $25 on their website, and they sell fast. So if you want one, you gotta click on their link, get an alert for whenever they get it in stock, so that you can buy yours and have it shipped as soon as they come in. So this 4th edition that I bought for my truck is a steering wheel cover. I just went to AutoZone, picked out the steering wheel cover that matched my truck, and I put it in. It's really cool, and it has this velvety feel to it. It helps smoothen out the ride a little bit because it kind of absorbs the roughness when you drive sometimes, because there's a cushion to it and it kind of feels like you're driving a really nice truck. And so yeah, that's the 4th edition that I got on my TRD Sport. I got a steering wheel cover that matches the outside of the truck and makes it look more uniform. The fifth addition is the exterior. That enhances the exterior look of the truck, and that is matte black tailgate inserts, the Tacoma tailgate inserts. And I've already done a video of that mod in one of my videos in my channel, and so you can go ahead and check that out. I'll post a link to that video in the description. But super easy. Again, you can find those on Amazon. They are less than $50. Again, these mods are really not expensive, and they enhance the look and feel of your truck. I've had so many comments from people. As soon as I put that one mod in, they're like, man, your truck looks really good. I like the blacked out tailgate inserts. I mean, people start to really notice these little additions that you start to do on your truck, and it's pretty cool. They enhance the look of your truck. They complete the truck, especially if you have a blue Tacoma or a white Tacoma. In my case, I have a red Tacoma, and it completely changed the look of how my back end of the truck looks like, and it's pretty cool. So y'all check that one out. I'll post a link to that video of installation and all that good stuff in my description box below. So y'all check that video out. For the last mod that I did on my truck, that is also super affordable. Now, if you haven't heard me say it already, these mods are less than $50 per mod, and they're affordable. You can do it according to your own time. If you have $50 on a mod or $20 on a mod, you are able to find something, help enhance the look of your truck. Easy. And so this one is Blackout Emblems. So where it says Tacoma, all the chrome that says Tacoma on either sides of the truck, and the V6 badging on the back on the tailgate. It's a blackout kit, and all it is emblem overlays, and they are also less than $50. I think if I'm right, they're like $35 for the whole set, and they really just go on your existing chrome emblems, and they just overlay. So they just cover all the chrome out. It's really clean. It has a good look, and that one with the tailgate inserts really push your truck to that next level in the appearance of your truck. And so those are the 6 mods that I would recommend, that I would say you definitely should look into getting if you own a 3rd gen Tacoma or the 2nd gen Tacoma. So I just wanted to come on today and give you 6 mods that are affordable, that you can afford to enhance the look of your truck, both inside and outside. And that's it for the day. So if you're new to the channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button, hit that bell notification so you can be notified every time I post a video. And there's more videos coming soon. There's more mods that I'm actually excited about, that I'm looking forward to, and they'll come in due time. But there's a lot of exciting stuff that's about to be happening on this channel, and you don't want to miss any of it. Other than that, thank you for your love and support. I appreciate every one of you that's watching these videos. I appreciate every one of you that has been subscribing to my channel, and I look forward to creating more awesome content. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.